Ooh, that is like a real for real type of horn on my head growing. I feel like Stan is growing while we're speaking during this video. Hi Mal Pals and New Pals. Today's video is going to be just my look when I am tired. I don't have really a lot of time to get ready, but I still want to look fresh faced. And a lot of times I will use one product for multi-purpose things. And I don't think I've ever showed how I've used this type of product in multiple ways, but also I definitely listened to you guys in my last video, the comment section. The majority of this is drugstore, and I think too, using one product multiple ways always saves money. So I hope you enjoy this look. This is just super fresh and summery and a way to get ready really quickly in the morning or the night, you know, whatever. I'm using my new lens today. And also really quick, when I do get ready quickly in the mornings, I'm always in my bathroom. I'm never in my beauty room. I bring like 3 products in here and do it up. So that's what we're gonna do. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter in the shade 330. I just self-tanned. I think this is going to be my color today. So, oh yes, it is. And I'm not wearing a primer or anything. I really just put just a little bit on the back of my hand, and I don't like to use sponge applicators, so I'm just using a beauty blender. You can use whatever. This foundation does do a really good job of not enhancing pores or dryness, and it really kind of just really sinks into the skin really nicely. And also a hot tip, if you do use this foundation, you kind of got to hold it upside down so it'll drip out. It's not going to push the product up. More on my forehead than usual. I'm breaking out. I think that pimple on the top of my forehead is just going to have to be there. Do you know what I mean? Like, it is just not, Stan is just not wanting to be messed with today. He does not want to be covered. That's fine. I get it. For brows, I have been loving the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. And this can actually be used as a liner or brow. And today, since I'm not doing like a full glam look, I'm just gonna kind of fill in the problem areas that I have going on. On days like this, I guess I should say, I like to kind of correct the shape of my brows, not necessarily change it completely. So I'm just lightly going through and feathering this product through my brow. I am happy with that. Not perfect, but still perfect for like a natural type of look. Now, for my brow gel, I'm gonna use the Lime Crime Bushy Brow. I bought this a while ago, and I go back and forth between this and the M Cosmetics new brow gel. I feel like the M Cosmetics has a little more hold, and this is just a little more pomadey. I'm gonna be using that same foundation formula, but this is in the shade Caramel or Caramel. And I'm going to be using a Sigma Round Kabuki. This is a similar shade to my beloved Chanel Soleil de Tan de Chanel bronzer. So that's why we're using this shade in particular. Well, if you can't cover your zit, just bronze it. Ooh, that is like a real for real type of horn on my head growing. I feel like Stan is growing while we're speaking during this video. Now I'm just going to take my beauty blender that has the foundation shade that's all over my face, and I'm just going to press that into where we just bronzed and just kind of get it good in the skin. Okay, now we are into the fun part, which is the product that I'm going to be using several different ways. Now, you can use any liquid lipstick, but I have truly been loving orange shades of lipstick and blush and things like that. I think it's fresh for the summer, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. I'm using my beloved M Cosmetics liquid, the Lip Cloud in Faded Clementine. I know you're thinking, like, how the heck are you gonna blend liquid lipstick as a blush? So what I like to do with a liquid lipstick is I like to take any lip balm. You can take any lip balm. I've been loving the Emile Cordon A Kiss Full of Luxe and Charm. This is a higher end lip balm, but I do really love it. I have sensitive skin. I like using it this way. I love applying it to my lips as well. And this is just their St. Bart's Soleil, which is just clear, but you can use any lip balm. Just make sure it's unscented. There's no mint or anything like that that might irritate the skin. I am going to take this lip balm on the back of my hand where the foundation isn't, and then I'm going to take the smallest amount of this liquid lipstick right next to it, not in it. And I'm just going to blend this on the back of my hand, and it just turns into the prettiest warm shade, and it kind of gives your face a nice overall gloss. And I meant to say, now with this foundation, I don't have to powder it. I do have dry skin, but if you're using a foundation that you might need to powder, wait to powder after you do this step. Always start out small and add more. You can switch fingers. Also, I'm not wearing concealer on purpose. I meant to mention that. I don't mind having a little bit of dark circles when I have to get ready fast, because that's just the way it is. And this sounds crazy, but sometimes like a little darkness under there can look a little chic, you know? I don't know why that is, but if you look at runway makeup, they don't always completely cover and brighten underneath the eye area, and it actually looks really nice. I don't like the Glossier cloud paints. If you guys haven't tried those, you can do this, and it's going to give you the same effect. Next step is the eyes, and I'm going to use this for my eyes. You don't have to. Not all liquid lipsticks are eye safe. I'm going to use the finger that I blended the blush with and just tap just the tiniest amount and still warm that up on the back of my hand. Now I have not applied any primer or anything on the lids, and I'm just gonna tap this on my lid here. It just, this lipstick in particular, honestly, so pretty for a look like this. So I'm sure you can dupe it at the drugstore, but I love that this has no plumping effect or anything that's gonna irritate the eyes. It doesn't have any fragrance, and since you have a little bit of balm left on the on your finger, it allows it to blend really nicely. And I'm going to take a clean angled shading brush actually, and this is from Sigma, and just kind of go over it before it dries down, just to kind of diffuse that shade a little bit more. Already, so beautiful, monochromatic. We are living for this.
We are living for this.
Next step, mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And since it's a liquid lipstick, you don't have to worry about creasing, which is a big deal for me with hooded lids. Now for mascara, I'm using the Rimmel Scandalize Wow Wings mascara in waterproof. Waterproof helps me when I'm wearing cream products or I know it's gonna be a hotter day to not crease. I like Rimmel's mascaras, and I really like Maybelline's, and that's honestly about it. CoverGirl sometimes can hit the nail on the head with a mascara, but I feel like CoverGirl mascaras tend to dry out for me pretty quickly. So you guys, I've really been struggling. I've been sleeping with a sleeping mask lately. It's been pushing my eyelashes down, and I swear they're just pushed down these days. There's nothing I can do about it. Sleep mask just gives me the best sleep of my life. And the last step, we've got our lips moisturized. I'm going to apply the Cosmetics Faded Clementine. Well, this is the final look. I love this. This is what I love to do when, like I said, I don't really have that much time. In real life, when you're just mixing and a grooving, this will maybe take you 10 minutes. If you want like a fresh, summery look for, you know, the beach, your life, the gym, this is perfect. I apologize for the way my lashes look, but I'm kind of liking it with this look. If you enjoyed this look, please, please, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also go listen to my latest episode of my podcast. I will have that linked below as well. It's a pretty dang good one, if I do say so myself. And also, ring the bell. I know I'm not supposed to be obnoxious about that, but just go ahead and ring the bell, please. Just ring that bell. I just want to say I appreciate all of the feedback that I have recently received. It's helped me so much. I hope you enjoyed me incorporating more drugstore. I said I was going to do that this year, so we are on that groove train, whatever that is. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going to try this little hot tip and trick or this look? Love a monochromatic look. If you post, please tag me. You can follow me on Instagram at Mallory double underscore. Let's redo that. You can follow me on Instagram at Mallory _ Cornelison and tag me in your looks. I would love to see what you create, what you come up with. This is it. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in Friday's video. Love you guys. Goodbye.